What's up YouTube? Mimi here, coming at you from my channel, Bunny Birdy Gator. It's kind of windy out here, you guys. Let me get you in for better audio. No public restrooms. I'm seeing that in a lot of stores. Let's head in though, you guys. We haven't been here in a while. Hi. That's so cute that they have these right here. I love that. Wow, you guys, we haven't been in this location for a long time. Everything is $1 and under. Wow, you guys, look. Not only do we have flip-flops, but we have women's sandals, just $1. Okay, the regular flip-flops. Ooh, these are cute. Little kids sandals, snake print sandals. More little kids sandals. These were normally $8. I really like these. You guys know me, I love sandals that have some bling to them. Okay, we have some slides down here. These are $1. This is a women's size 8. Hey, we have more flip-flops. These were normally $1 anyways. But we do have some options in here. I love that, you guys. $1 and under. I don't know, maybe some of them were marked under $1. I'm not sure. Wow. And then over here, you guys, look. We have more clearance. We have clearance bread. We have clearance cleaning products. I know Walgreens and CVS have also been having clearance cleaning products, more so laundry products. We have some cereals over here. I'm going to have to ask the manager about some of these deals. We have cookies, we have hot sauce, we have Toastums, we have cheeseburger macaroni, we have some Tylenol. Okay, we have Crave, Honey Bunches of Oats, Hungry Jack, Pancake Mix, Frosted Flakes. In here we have Fabuloso, Fragancia. I think this is Fabuloso as well. The antibacterial Fabuloso. Been hearing good things about that. I'm going to talk to the manager, and then if I have prices on those items, I'm going to let you guys know. I want to see what other sort of deals we have. This is the display that we have here in the front of my store. The faux hanging plants. Ooh, look at these. We have, these are really cute. $3 little like lantern tabletop torches. Look at this one. Those are really cute. Rice lights. Since when are these called rice lights? $5. It's a 60 count. We have the solar stakes here. We have the solar animals, the $12 industrial bulb sets. These come back every year. They're so cute. The solar jewel clip lights. Oh yay, she's scanning them for me. We have these. These are $5. They're really sturdy.
Like this, they're $1.
Okay.
Anything like this, they're $1.50.
$1.50 for the Fragancia and $1 for the Fabuloso. Thank you.
Yeah.
These are really cute, you guys. $5. The little lanterns with the LED candles. This is my first time seeing these. LED charges in direct sunlight, easy to hang from trees, hanging chimes with a solar powered color changing LED light. This looks like it would be really cute. $10 for this one. These are the flicker flame stakes, and these are the ones we see every year, the $1 yard stakes, the solar stakes. And then up here we also have some home items, mirrors, picture frames, The little baskets for $4. What else? Some little lamps. These are how much? It says it's a 2-piece set, so I guess this is a set. George Foreman grill. Just a lot of items for the home. And then over here we have little bird yard stakes. More faux flowers. Ooh, look at these, you guys. 100 count mini lights. Purple. $5. We have pink. We have brown. I've never seen anything like this in my life. Like never, ever, ever. That's cute. These are $5. And then we have hoses, yard tools, weed and grass killer, charcoal lighter fluid, a little $15 tabletop grill, more grilling accessories. The Crocs handy lighter, this is cute. Ooh, and look you guys, we have different colors. Those are cute. Chicken roasters, grill covers. And then it looks like we have some grad stuff over here. Graduation cards, $1 banners, things like that. I always think this is such a cute idea, the buffet cooler. It's a little inflatable tabletop buffet cooler. It looks like a mini pool. Look at all the gnomes. We have to take a better look at this. This is so cute. This is adorable. These are how much? These are $5. So cute. So we have fairies and we have gnomes. Ooh, I really, really like this one. The camper, the fire, the hammock. I'm seeing other cute things and I'm getting distracted. Look, you guys. Sweet summer. $1. The little straws. The little pinwheels. Aww. The birds. Look at that one. The gnome. We have even more gnomes down here. Look at this one, you guys. A sleepy little gnome. This is $3. And then we have, oh, the cutest frog ever. Look at that. So cute. Look at the frog. Aww. $8. Mickey, Minnie. We have Tinkerbell. Oh my gosh, you guys, those are $8. Cherubs. More cute little gnomes. These are $3. We have Welcome. We have this little guy with the watering can. So cute. Okay, let's see. Who else do we have? We have this guy with the tall hat. And we have this guy with the axe. Look at those eyes. Those are all $3 each. We have Welcome. These are $5, the little puppies. We have a gator. Okay, I wish it was a bunny birdie gator, but it's not. It's a birdie. It's a gator. And then it's a, what are you? Oh, come on. It would have been perfect. Hello, summer. More dollar decor. And then we also have the cute, sweet summer lemonade. And we have summer party. Big flip-flop. All the toys, shovels, $1 shovels, bubbles. Ooh, I want to get some chalk today, you guys. These little things. How much are these? $2. Pops the ball. Yeah, I definitely want to get some chalk today. This is so cute. The cute little beach backpack. Aww. These are $5. They come with a lot of accessories. I think 2 sets of accessories. Floaties. Little water guns. Bubble blasters. Those are cute. Those are definitely new this year. Bubble cameras. Yeah, you guys, let me know if I should come back and film more. If the answer is definitely yes, please let me know what you want to see when I come back. We have coolers, $15 beach chairs. We even have some kids' chairs. These are $10 each. Most of them are licensed. Quad chairs, the Adirondack chairs, those are $18 each. Nozzles, fans. Let me know what you want to see when I come back, and I will definitely show more. But hey, you guys, I'm just going to look around for a little bit more, and then I'm off to even more places. $5 for this. But you guys, thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.